We need the manifest for the blue truck next.
Easy now, stack that by bay 4.
Here, the onions enter the automated washing system. Rotating drums and high-pressure water jets work together to
As the onions move through the tunnel on the mesh belt, intense hot air circulates, rapidly evaporating the moisture, visible as steam.
This high-speed seething process ensures the uniformity and fine granulation of the onion powder for optimal quality.
As you can see on the control screen, every batch is assigned a unique timestamp and weight, ensuring complete traceability. As the material flows, the magnetic rods capture microscopic contaminants, ensuring process safety and delivering a purified product. Under magnification, the crystalline structure and granularity of the onion powder sample become clearly visible, allowing for detailed analysis. Our systematic storage solution utilizes clear labeling and batch numbers for seamless inventory management across all warehouse operations. Using a combination of straps and locking bars ensures maximum stability and prevents any shifting of the cargo.
This actuator housing shows signs of accelerated wear, inconsistent with the uptime data.
I agree. We should flag this for immediate replacement before the next cycle.
The key to our efficiency lies in the seamless synchronization of these automated processes, drastically improving uptime across the factory floor.